In this tutorial, we will learn how to deal with duplicate structures in a dataset using the ChemMaster software. So duplicate structures are structures that occur multiple times in a dataset. So basically a structure that is present more than one time in a dataset. And this can happen for a variety of reasons, most commonly from public databases. Sometimes the structure is added multiple times from different resources. And it's very important to detect these compounds and to deal with them in drug design workflows in general, because the presence of those duplicate compounds can really have negative impact on your workflow. So for example, in QSAR modeling or pharmacophore modeling, having duplicate structures in a dataset can have negative impact on the model. So for example, in QSAR modeling, if the same structure is present multiple times, then it might end up in the training set and in the test set. And this of course will have negative impact on the validation. Similarly, in a virtual screening process, you don't want to have duplicate structures, first of all for computational time, and also if the same structure is detected more than once, it will take place of other important structures that might be identified. So to demonstrate duplicate management in the ChemMaster software, I have this simple dataset here. It has 6 compounds. So the first 3 are duplicates, they are the same structure, and the next 2 are also duplicates, and this last one is a unique compound, it does not have duplicates. So from the analysis menu, select manage duplicates, and first we determine which structures to use. I will select all these structures to include in the analysis. Next we have the management type. So we have 3 different options. The first option is the report only option. This option will not do anything to the structure, it will only add columns that details the duplicates of each structure. And in reporting, we can select how to represent each structure, either by row number or the structure name. So the row number is the row of the structure and the structure name is the value here. So first we will select this option, so click OK. And as you can see, we have 2 columns added. First we have the duplicates column and the number of duplicates. So the number of duplicates column tells you how many duplicates this structure has. So for example, this first structure has 2 duplicates, which are number 2 and row number 3. And the same thing for this structure. Number of duplicates is 2, the first and the third. And this structure, each one has 1 duplicate. And also this structure has 0 duplicates. And you can use the structure name instead. For example, I will select report only, but I'll use the structure name. Click OK. And as you can see, we have the structure name instead of the row number. So this option gives us an idea about which structure has a duplicate and which one does not, but it does not perform any action. So let's look at the other options. So again, select manage duplicates. And the second management type option is to delete all the duplicates. So this will delete any structure that has a duplicate. So that means all those 3 structures will be deleted, and the same thing, both of those 2 structures will be deleted, but the last one will not be deleted because it does not have any duplicate. So I click OK, and as we can see, any structure that had any duplicate, they were all deleted. So this option can be used if you want to completely remove all the duplicate structures from your dataset. Now let's look at the third and the last option for managing duplicates, which is the keep one structure option. So this option will keep only one structure of the duplicate structures. So for example, here we have 3, it will delete 2 and retain only 1 structure. And this can be useful if you don't want to give up many structures in your dataset, For example, if you have a low number of compounds in your dataset and you don't want to delete many of them, you can select this option. It will keep only one structure, so this makes sure that the dataset does not contain duplicates. So I'll click OK, and you will end up with a unique dataset of structures. If you have a question, please leave it in the comments below, and you can find the link for the dataset and the software in the description.